everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we will discuss manage menu by user role in WordPress with plugin menu by user roles via this plugin. So in the last video I explained about uh, how can manage menu by user role in WordPress, and it is very awesome plugin. But if any conflict with theme and plugin, then we have to search another plugin. So same thing happening with Astra theme or with this add-on user menu. So if I refresh it here, then if I want to select at here, I want to select for contributor or subscriber, then I'm not able to select. Because why this happening? Because with extra menu setting and it is via extra theme. So for handle conflict, etc., I search another add-on, and it is menu by user roles. So it is also a good plugin, but do not have more option like which I already shown in this video. So let's get started for handle this conflict, and also so that if you are facing same conflict with theme and add-on, then you can also use menu by user role plugin. So many time we build WordPress project with role management, and we also need to control what menu item appear for each role. So let's see how do this easy via plugin. So why use role based menu? So different menu item to guest, subscriber, investor, agent or admin. Hide dashboard link for non-admin user. Improve user experience and security. Meet the plugin menu by user roles. So plugin name is menu by user role, and you can download from here. And it is easy control visibility for menu item by role, login status and more. How to install and use? Go to plugin and new add new. So we just go at here and go to plugins, add new. Search menu by user role. Menu by user role by Kahenu Charan. Install now. And activate. And I also disabling other add-on like user menu add-on, because now it is not required. Now edit any menu item and set visibility condition. So now I am at here. Now I want this login for only unauthenticated person, not for authenticated person. So you can select by a role directly at here, and for select role for register link also unauthenticated, and save. And now check. Now at here it is not showing login and register. Now for profile, we are also seeing agent dashboard, investor dashboard, but we do not require this because we want these for agent and investor. So for handle this, select for um, for agent role, select role from here and click on save. Now also for investor dashboard, only for investor, not for all. So select investor from here. Now both both option is not showing at here. Now if I switch user to investor or dashboard, then I can see our menu differently. Like it is investor role, so switching to investor role. Now axis menu, and now investor role is available at here. Investor menu is available at here. Now I can check my investor dashboard, and again I am switching for agent so that it will be reflect. So now again check for agent, go to users, and now switching for agent, one is hello agent is here. Hello agent, okay, hello agent is here, so switch to hello agent. Now I am with hello agent as user. Now check. Now it is agent dashboard, so now you can manage all investor etc, all thing. So via this add-on menu by user role, you can manage all thing for handle menu part at here. Take away menu by user role, make role based navigation easy, no coding needed, work with your existing menu, perfect for membership site, LMS or multi-role dashboard. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and please also like this video if you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.